Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I have my beautiful daughter with me. Say hi.
Hi.
And before I start the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will never miss a video from me. So today we're going to make this microwavable cake,
Yeah, it is.
and it's two of them. You want to show them, Charlie?
Mm-hmm.
Show it to them, show it.
Look, we're gonna make cupcakes.
Yeah, the cakes. The microwavable cake. So, we already washed our hands. So,
Open up.
It's safe for you to put to level the cake. This is how it looks, guys. I don't know if you guys can see. Then I have to put the water, some cold water, to fill up the line. You're not open this yet, Charlie, because it said after.
Put some more in
You
there.
gotta put some water. You gotta do it. You gotta help mommy.
Okay.
Hold on.
Put some in.
Put some in. Put some in. Let's see.
I'm gonna stir it up.
Let me see if it on the line.
I'm smelling.
Smell it. Don't put your face on it.
That's enough. I'm
Yep,
gonna stir it up.
that's enough.
I'm gonna stir
You don't
it.
have to stir it up yet. You gotta put them in here. Take it. Take the cake. Sit up. Get down. Show you. Come here. I'm gonna get a chair for you. Get on the chair.
This one.
Yeah.
I can stand up.
Yeah, stand up.
I can stand up on here.
Yeah. I'm gonna open the microwave. Open it. Open the microwave.
It's press button.
Child. You're doing the most.
I want it in. I'll turn the button. That one.
No,
That
it's
one.
two.
This one.
No, not this one.
It says beep beep.
Let me show you. Get one finger. This one, like this one. Push two. Pull your head up, you're a big girl. Talk to me.
Hi guys.
Today we're making cupcakes.
Today we're making cupcakes. It's not done yet.
It's not done yet.
I'll sprinkle some water. It's done.
Oh. I don't know what happened. It kind of flipped. Sorry guys.
Open yours, Mama.
Okay.
Mama, try to open yours. Open yours.
Okay, child.
Yours is how the mermaid.
Yeah, the mermaid, guys. She want me to. Which one you got? Which one you got?
Sprinkles. Look at the sprinkles.
You can see it like that. You gotta show it. Look at the sprinkle, guys. My girl is so excited. You know, just something fun.
Oh, maybe you'll have something. But put some water in yours. Put some water in yours.
Put some water on mine. Okay, I think that's good.
Look, it has blue. It's turning blue. It's
Yep. It's turning blue.
mine's not turning nothing.
Yours was pink. Let me see.
I'm done. Look at mine.
Oh, it's overflowing the microwave.
Can I see mine?
It's too much water, I guess. Gotta let it cool. And mess in the microwave.
That's too much water. It's overflowed. It's overflowed. That's a whole lot of water. It's overflowed. Fix it. Mama, can I mix yours?
No, don't mix it. You don't have to mix it.
Mimi, mine's overflowed.
I don't think I'll do it right, but okay.
I mean, no, I got it in there. Use the cold water, fill it up to that rim. And I think it's in a minute, but you can.
Well, mine seems like water. I don't know. Ah, it look bad. I don't
Is
know.
it the icing on top or just the?
I don't know what it is.
And you stirred it up?
I haven't stirred it up yet.
Hmm.
I don't know.
Let me see.
Try it out. Charlie, I messed it up. Sorry. I mean,
No leaves and blah blah blah. Microwave how 1 minute.
1 minute. Charlie, we have to get some frozen cookies and do it because this one,
I want to help you.
I know.
I want to help you put sprinkles in.
And you stirred it before you put it in the
It's
microwave.
not done yet.
You stirred
Yeah, I
it up?
stir it.
Okay.
It's not done yet.
Very cool.
I'm still you. I'll put some in.
This one is mine. I don't even want to put it in the microwave.
Stir it up real good.
Well then,
Let me see.
I'll put cookies on. I'll put cookies on the stick.
Hold up,
well
bro.
then, it's not done yet.
And you know what? You know, by it being compact like this, just let it cool.
This one's not done yet. This
Okay,
one.
no, that's what I'm saying. We're just gonna stir it up real good. Ooh, must got candy and stuff on the mixture inside the mixture.
I don't know.
Oh, this way it look like. See? Just, you know, like I said, by being compact ain't per se your regular cake mix.
No, why is that upside down?
And just
child.
put it in the microwave for that minute that they
1
said.
minute. 1 minute.
Mm-hmm. And then say let it cool for 2 minutes after you get it out. It's not gonna be a whole lot to it because, like I said, it's in a cup.
Cake in a cup, Charlie.
Cake in a cup.
They have brownie in a mug.
Remove and cold water to fill the line. Stir well. Microwave uncovered on high for 1 minute. Cool 2 minutes. It says cool in the microwave. I don't see what difference it's gonna make.
Is this one tune out? Soft or something? Oh, I don't know.
I wish I had a toothpick. But go ahead and put. I'm gonna see if that
I'll put some sprinkles in.
Go ahead and do that for a minute. So
Okay.
let it cool for a minute so your sprinkles won't be off.
Gotta wait, Charlie.
It has to cool out. Don't put yours on float.
Mine is not on. Well, guys, as you can see, this is an experiment.
Now look again for the strawberry icing. Like I said, it's really not.
So here you go.
I don't have a toothpick. I normally use a toothpick just to dig down in. Oh, it's coming out clean.
I guess I have to put it in the fridge. I don't know.
And you just let it cool down, then put your sprinkle on top. You just eat it like that. Because where that line is, it's not gonna rise up. It's like a little tiny cake in a cup.
How this working?
Now yours came up more. I don't know the reason why.
I don't know, maybe I stir it too much.
No, it's all right. Like I said, stuff like this is just trial and error, and you experiment. Then you know what to do with it the next time.
We're gonna put the toothpick on there.
Let me see.
Child.
So like I said, yours rolls up like cake would do. And see, it ain't nothing come off. Just let it cool.
Let it cool. Okay, Charlotte?
Okay.
Yeah, she might like it enough just to eat it like that.
We'll see.
It's just the thought of doing something together. Sometimes that's what you gotta look at.
Charlotte,
Open
you gotta open it, but you ain't gonna use it yet.
it. I can't open it.
Child. I don't have any nails.
You gotta mix things so hard.
That one.
Well, you pour it then because you have nails. Just pour it. Oh. Wow. No, you're in there.
And then you go by the taste. That's what you pour. And like I said, they mix stuff so hard.
No. Child. You know I
Let me
don't have any nails. Hey.
And I even smell your dough.
Well, Charlotte, I guess you can have mine because it turns out okay.
I'm gonna try. I'm
Yeah,
gonna stick
taste
it back. No, I'm gonna. Ooh.
Put it back in the
No,
microwave.
hers wasn't. No, hers definitely didn't do right. No.
You can have mine because I don't think I was gonna.
Yeah, because you know what? Hers definitely ain't right because it wasn't mixed good enough. You see that dryness and stuff. And it's too hard. See, it's like crumbling.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, you can have mine, Charlotte, when it's cooled up.
I like it.
Of course.
We hope you do.
We'll see.
But it
Nobody's
definitely
winning.
smell like cake mix, but it's just a microwave cake smell.
Don't put it. You put the sprinkles here.
No, put it over here.
You gotta wait for it to cool off, child.
Like I said, we got your cake mix. We just gotta find some
I want to have
Strawberry.
candy in it.
icing. You know what? The one place I didn't think about checking was Family Dollar, because they sell Dunkin' Hot icing too.
Mama,
What?
I can crunch.
Huh?
I can take one.
You can eat some of the candy too, because
Yeah,
look like
you
you
can.
have plenty. You eat your candy.
Yeah, it's yummy.
Oh, of course it is.
Mm-hmm.
We know.
It's sweet.
Mm-hmm.
It's sweet too.
There.
Let me fix your plate now.
Well, guys, it was an experiment, Charlie. You have to say bye.
Bye.
We'll see. We'll make some more cake.